Hello friends, it's been some time since I made a greeting card, a quill greeting card. So today it's day 3 of the Quill November challenge, and today the topic is candy. So now let us make a greeting card with candy in it. So I am taking 3 strips of pink color and some few strips of white. It is 4 strips because this paper is thinner than this. So now I will be rolling with a white paper in the end. Now let's start to roll. Keep them all together and roll. The ends won't be equal, so let's glue the ends. I'll be tearing off the whites together so it doesn't show in the outside. So here is a candy with white and pink strips, and this is made with purple and white. For the next type of candy, I am taking some 5 strips of paper together and then roll them as usual. Just roll them all together like the previous one. I'm gluing them in the end. And stick them all together. I'll be having it as a oval shape. So after it is glued, let's press them in the sides and then push the center too. And now I'm making a little dome-like elevation. For the sides, I'm making a little triangle like. And then push from the center. So it is like a heart shape. And now let's do the other side. Now it's time to arrange. I'm having a craft cardstock for the top, so it looks beautiful. I will be adding the lollipops like this and have a piece of white cardstock for the bottom. This is bigger, so let's make it small. Now we can arrange them to the card. Let's add some glue to the inside so that the shape doesn't get altered. And finally, I will be adding it to the card. And I finally add the sentiment. I usually use glue. You can also use double-sided tape. I prefer this because this is cost effective and also stays good. And that's a card. Do you like it? Give a thumbs up and let me know